Hi dear students, in my previous lecture we have seen some information or brief information about the dramatist Satish Alekar, his life and contribution in the field of Indian English drama, and brief introduction of his career also. There are many dramatists in Maharashtra, but Satish Alekar is one of the most famous dramatists. Worked as a professor in Pune University, and he published his play Mahanirvan, or performed his play Mahanirvan in Marathi by Theatre Academy Pune. He was associated with Theatre Academy Pune along with Mr. Jabbar Patel and other eminent personalities. Mahanirvan participated in the Maharashtra State Drama Competition also, held at the Bharat Natya Mandir Pune on 22nd November 1973. Too much long period happened. Too much long period is there from now. Now we are in 21st, and after 2 years the 50 years will be completed. Of the performance of this drama Mahanirvan, that is the Great Departure, later it translated into English. Since then it has had more than 200 performances and still remains in the repertoire of Theatre Academy with the following casts: more than 200 performances is a grand success, grand achievement of this play. In my previous lecture, I told you that we will see characterization in my next lecture, that is this lecture. Who exactly performed this play? The names are given in your textbook also. Bhaurao is a major character which was performed by Chandrakant Kale, an eminent stage actor. Then Rama by Hema Leela and Sujal Vatve. Nana is performed by Prasad Purandare. And neighbors, there are many neighbors in the drama, but these are the three main characters: Bhaurao, Rama and Nana. The role of neighbors played by Ramesh Medekar, Suresh Basle, Shrikant Gadre, Anil Bhagwat, Sriram Pendse, Uday Lagu, Milind Dongre, Srirang Godbole, Sriram Ranade, Nandu Pool, Prakash Arjun Wadkar, Kalyan Hinkar, Raja Bhave, and Mohan Agashe. I personally haven't learned about all these mm, artists or performance except Mohan Agashe. I have learned and seen the performance of Mohan Agashe many times. Satish Alekar acted as Nana for the first 100 performances. Satish Alekar, who is the author of this drama, acted as a Nana. That means he played a role of Nana in first 100 performances. And Dr. Madhuri Gore was the original Rama. Original Rama. That is, the role of Rama is played by originally Dr. Madhuri Gore. Direction of the play by Satish Alekar. Production in charge was Jabbar Patel at the time and Sridhar Rajguru. Sridhar Rajguru, you might haven't learnt about Sridhar Rajguru, but you must know about Jabbar Patel, who was and who is eminent director of many beautiful films in Marathi as well as Hindi. Music was composed by Anand Modak. Lighting arrangement was done by Samar Nakhate. Sets and sounds are arranged by Nandu Por, and musicians were Anand Modak on harmonium, Ashok Gaikwad on dholki, and Shrikant Raj Pathak on mridang. Mahanirvan had its first production in Hindi in 1976. It means that in 1976 it was translated into Hindi language when Rajinder Nath directed it for Abhiyan, New Delhi, performing it for the first time on 5th November 1976 at the Sri Ram Center for Art and Culture, New Delhi. It means that Mahanirvan was translated into Hindi in 1976 and was staged in the same year at Sri Ram Center for Art and Culture, New Delhi, with music by Mohan Upreti and Vinod Nagpal in the lead. Alak Nandan did a second production in Hindi for Rangamandal, Bhopal, performing it for the first time on 5th May 1983 with B.V. Karanth in the lead. So this is the brief history of this drama, and there are three major characters: Bhaurao, Rama, and Nana. All the characters are minor characters, we can see them, and we can say them. These are minor characters and neighbors. Actually, names of that neighbors are not given here in the drama. If we see the text in detail, the author or the dramatist quoted just man first, man second, man three, third, like that. And the dialogues, their dialogues are according to man first, man second, man third in the drama also. So there is no reference of their names in the drama directly. But who played the role of neighbors, I have told you the names of that neighbors also. There are many characters, many artists who played the roles of neighbors in the future after 100 performances was over. Main characters also changed as the time passes. But the drama, the theme, the content, the acts, these are more important than who played the roles. And that's why this drama achieved a grand success in Marathi as well as Hindi and other languages, including English. So, we will see, or we will go through the drama in detail. I request all of you that there is a chronological order of my video. If I am preparing the video on a particular topic, that is drama, the Dread Departure, there are numbers of my videos. Suppose the first video I made on the Dread Departure, I have given number 1 to that first video. If I made second video, I will give the number 2 for second video. So in this way, you should learn, or you should see the video in a chronological order. That means you should see first video, then second video, then third video, then fourth, and then onwards. Then and then only you will understand the drama properly in a chronological order. So I request all of you to see the videos in a chronological order. Thank you.